Hello brilliant minds, you're welcome to class. Now let's look at this problem under quadratic equations. Now solve 6x squared equals to 7x plus 20. So how do we solve this problem? Now the first thing is to rearrange this equation. So we have 6x squared minus 7x minus 20 equals to 0. Now the next thing is to identify the sum and product. Now the sum is the coefficient of x here, so we have sum to be what? That is negative 7, and the product is the multiplication of 6 and negative 20. So product is negative 120. Okay, so now we need two numbers such that when you multiply together you have negative 120, and when you add together you have negative 7. So the two numbers are negative 15 and 8. So the multiplication of this gives us negative 120, and the addition gives us negative 7. Okay, so we incorporate this into this equation. So this equation turns to 6x squared minus 15x plus 8x minus 20 equals to 0. Okay, now look at this first here. So you look for the GCD. What's the GCD of this? And the GCD is 3x. Now these 3 can go here and 3 can also go here. X can go here, x can go here. So we have 3x. Okay, so when you divide 6x squared by 3x, what do you have? You have 2x. Now divide this by 3x. What do you have? You have negative 5. Alright, the same thing also applies to this. What is the GCD here? The GCD here is 4. So we have 4 plus 4. Okay. So now when you divide this by 4, you have 2x. Now divide this by 4, you have negative 5. Now equals to 0. Now the next thing is to factor out 2x minus 5. So when you do that, you have 2x minus 5. You are left with 3x plus 4 equals to 0. Alright, so two numbers are multiplying each other to have 0. So it's either 2x minus 5 equals to 0 or 3x plus 4 equals to 0. So here you can add 5 to both sides. So you have 2x equals to 5, or 3x here. You subtract 4 from both sides equals to negative 4. So now the next thing here, you divide both sides by 2. So if you do that, you have x equals to 5 over 2. And here, you divide both sides by 3. You have x equals to negative 4 over 3. Okay, so now you have to simplify this one further. So the answer here will give us 2 whole number 1 over 2, or x equals to negative 1 whole number 1 over 3. So now this is the answer to the problem. So if this is the first time you're watching me, I want you to subscribe to this channel and also tap the like button. Thanks for watching.